Hello, this is M. Welcome to my channel, OMNIIMAGO. Do you want to have in Excel a search bar like you have in your browser and you want to quickly find out something that you have in your table? And your table might be with 10, 20, 30, 40,000 lines, and you are so over with Control F in finding something. Today we're going to see how we can do it in Excel. And we are going to see this very simple file, but it will work with the number of lines that you have. So I'm going to show you how to build it yourself. Of course, the file is currently available on omniimago.com. You can take it for free using the Wheel of Fortune. And you have also a dedicated article where you can see how it's being built. So let's get started and let's test what we have here. I have a series of lines with OMNIIMAGO videos, and let's say that I want to find the classic music. So I'm taking class, and then I have this already filtered. Or let me take lay from layout. Whenever I say lay, it's filtering by lay, but if I'm adding layout, I have the videos with layout. So instead of using any kind of manual filter, going here, filtering however you want, or using the Control F, you can use that search bar in Excel. That can make you much more efficient. So here is how it works. Let's make a final test. Windows, and we have every result with Windows. So it's not related to uppercase or lowercase. It's going to find your data. And now let's see how it's built. Let's take one new spreadsheet, and the very first thing that you need to do is to go here at the upper menu level and right click, go to customize ribbon, and in the customize ribbon you need to ensure that you have the developer option ticked, so it's available for you. Let's press OK and get back. Then as soon as you have your developer option active, you can click on there and you can go to insert and then take this text box ActiveX control. You can click there, left click, and then you can simply create your search bar. So you can adapt your search bar as soon as you are in the design mode, and then whenever you want to use it, you can simply deactivate the design mode. So what we can see here is that this box is called text box 1, and this is very important for what we are going to do. The following step is actually to use the codes that we have in the simulator. But before doing this, what I'm going to show you, it's again related to design mode. Click on design mode, right click on the bar and go to properties. Because as you can see here, the name of the box is text box 1. And also there is no link cell here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one cell for reference, because that's a very important step for you to use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to put here key 5. And also the text box, I can rename it or I can leave it as it is. Doesn't matter. But the very most important thing is to keep in mind the name of your text box, because depending on your name, that will depend for your code as also. So I have here the cell. I know the name. I can go to design mode and click here. Let's say I'm going to put OMNIIMAGO. Okay. Then if I go back to design mode and I go down with my search bar, I can see that in K5, where I specified it, I have this OMNIIMAGO. And this is very, very important because whatever you are going to write here, it's going to show in that specific case, in that specific cell actually, and you need to take care of that, because if you're not specifying the cell, the bar, the code, the search bar, it's not going to work. Then let's go to our coding. Let's right click here on the sheet and go to view code. And in the view code, actually what we have, it's very, very simple and straightforward. In my case, the name of the search bar is Google Search Simulator. So you can see that I have Google Search Simulator. Let me make a small switch. I have Google Search Simulator here and also here. And also I have the cell that I specified. In our case, that would be K5 here in the code. Those are the only updates that you need to do just to have your code working. And also one last thing, you need to specify out of your table which is the column where you want the data to be linked from. So in my case is the field number 4. What is field number 4 meaning is actually that I'm not looking to field number 1, 2, 3. I'm looking to the videos. So in this column, you can have customer names, you can have people names, you can have order numbers, you can have whatever kind of data that you want, but you need to add in your code exactly the column number that you wish to add. As soon as you copy paste the code, you have your code copy pasted, you know that the search bar, the text bar is actually matching the name with what you have here. You have your field specified and you have your cell reference. You can go ahead and use it. It's that simple. Very, very simple. And as a bonus, what you can do, perhaps you have not 5 columns like we have here, but you have 20, 30, 40 or more columns. Then I added a code that will allow you to highlight the row where you are really within that table, and to avoid you going to the row level and specify it like this, then going to the right. So you have this second part of the code, which is actually this one, where you can simply copy paste it, and the only change that you can do is for this interior dot color index all attached equal 44. What 44 means, and you are going to see this in the description, is the color property from Microsoft. So in our case, what we have here is 44, the color code that we can use. You can choose a different one. If you don't want 44 but you want a different one, you can choose any number for this, so from 1 to 56. You will have the link in the description just to be sure that you can choose or look up for the colors before changing the code. And then also for those 2 codes, I'm going to share with you all the data in the comments, and also provide you a link directly to OMNIIMAGO, where you have an article saying exactly step by step what you need to do. And also another topic is that you can, again, I'm reiterating, you can download this file for free from omniimago.com using the Wheel of Fortune. So I hope that you find this file useful, this video useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a perfect day ahead. Bye bye.